Exercise number 9, ready, start. Section 211 of the code relates to the contents of the charge stop. It inter alia provides that every charge under the code shall state the offence with which the accused is charged stop. It provides that the charge shall contain the particulars as to the time and place of the alleged offence and the person, if any, against whom, or the thing, if any, in respect of which it was committed, as are reasonably sufficient to give the accused notice of the matter with which he is charged stop. Section 215 of the code, however, clarifies that no error in stating either the offence or the particulars required to be stated in the charge, and no omission to state the offence or those particulars shall be regarded at any stage of the case as material, unless the accused was in fact misled by such error or omission, and it has occasioned a failure of justice. Section 464 of the code relates to effect of omission to frame or absence of or error in charge stop. Subsection 1 thereof provides that no finding, sentence, or order of a court of competent jurisdiction shall be deemed invalid merely on the ground that no charge, unless in the opinion of the Court of Appeal, confirmation or revision a failure of justice has in fact been occasioned thereby stop. Subsection 2 of Section 464 provides that if the Court of Appeal information or revision is of opinion that failure of justice has in fact been occasioned, it may stop paragraph. Before we proceed to set out our answer and examine the provisions of the code, we will pause to observe that the code is a code or procedure, and like all procedural laws is designed to further the ends of justice and not to frustrate them by the introduction of endless technicalities. Stop. The object of court is to ensure that an accused person gets a full and fairer trial along certain well established and well understood lines that accord with our notions of natural justice. Stop. If he is tried by a competent court, if he is told and clearly understands the nature of the offence for which he is being tried, if the case against him is fully and fairly explained to him, and he is afforded a full and fair opportunity of defending himself, then provided there is substantial compliance with the outwards forms of the law. Stop.